Hey champion, welcome to Vijayi Bhava 60 question series for your sure success in board exams. If you are thorough with all these 60 questions in this series, you are sure to get 60 out of 60 in your board exams. In this session, I am coming up with a very important question from first year physics, and the concept is projectile, and to prove that the path of a projectile is parabolic in shape with a derivation y is equal to ax minus bx square. I'll start with the definition of projectile. A body thrown up making some angle with the horizontal other than 90 degrees is called a projectile. The path taken by the projectile is called trajectory, and the path of the projectile is parabolic in shape. To prove that the path of projectile is parabolic in shape, we need to derive the equation y is equal to ax minus bx square. Coming to the derivation part, consider a body of mass m is projected with an initial velocity u making an angle theta with the horizontal. The component of velocity along x-axis is taken as u cos theta, and the component of velocity along y-axis is taken as u sin theta. Let the distance traveled by the body along the parabolic path is OA. Consider OA is the actual distance traveled by the body. This distance is taken as capital X along x-axis and as capital Y along y-axis. The distance traveled by the body along x-axis is given by the product of the velocity along x-axis and time. If t is the time taken for the travel and u cos theta is the velocity along x-axis, the distance traveled by the body along this axis represented as capital X is given by u cos theta into t. The same can be written as t is equal to x by u cos theta. When the body travels along y-axis, it is traveling against gravity. So, in order to calculate the distance traveled by the body along y-axis, we need to select a formula where there is acceleration due to gravity, and thus the distance traveled along y-axis is calculated based on the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now, the velocity along y-axis is considered as u sin theta. The time of travel is t. Since the projected body is moving against gravity, a should be taken as minus g. Substituting all these in the formula, y is equal to ut minus half gt square, we get y is equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square. As we have t is equal to x by u cos theta, just substitute the value of t here, we get y is equal to u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half g into x by u cos theta whole square. This becomes, here u and u get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta can be taken as tan theta. Thus, the equation becomes y is equal to tan theta x minus half g into 2u square minus half g into x square by 2u square cos square theta. Let us consider tan theta as a and the component other than x square in this part as b. Now the equation becomes y is equal to ax minus bx square. As we have arrived at the equation y is equal to ax minus bx square, it is proved that the path of a projectile is parabolic in shape. This is a very important question and has been repeatedly asked several times in your board exams. Do learn this 4 marks question. Follow Vijayi Bhava 60 question series for your sure success in board exams. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another important question.